Good morning, dear students. Today I will give multiple choice questions from chapter 5, acid, bases and salts. First one multiple choice question is that the Latin word acidus means, that is the sour. Second one, the substances which change their color on coming in contact with other substances are called the indicators. Third one, the sharp pain caused by the sting of brown ants, nettles leaves and bees is due to the formic acid. Fourth one, a substances which dissolve in water to give hydrogen ions as the only positively charged ion is called the an acid. Fifth, the substances which react with acids to form salt and water as the only products are known as bases. Sixth, all oxides and hydroxides of metals are bases. So in first one, the Latin word acidus means sour. Second one, indicators. Third one, formic acid. Fourth, acid. Fifth, base. Sixth one, base. Now come to the seventh one. Hydrochloric acid produced in the stomach is very important for digestion of food. Eighth, antacids made of magnesium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide are used for relieving acidity in the stomach. Ninth one, weak bases are sparingly soluble in water. Tenth, strong bases are not soluble in water. Now come to the fill in the blanks. First one, the acid found in lemon is dash acid. What you will fill in this first one? Citric acid. The acid found in lemon is citric acid. Second, the bases have a dash taste and dash. The bases have a bitter taste and soapy touch. Third one is the sting of dash contain formic acid. The sting of ants contain formic acids. Fourth one, sulfuric acid is highly dash acid, corrosive acid. Sulfuric acid is highly corrosive acid. Fifth one, acidic soils are neutralized with slacked lime. Now come to the statements given below are incorrect. Write the correct statement. First one is the incorrect statement is sulfuric acid is an example of an organic acid. In this you have to write sulfuric acid is an example of mineral acid. Second one, blue litmus paper turns red in a basic solution. In place of basic you have to write acidic solution. Blue litmus paper turns red in acidic solution. Third one, China rose solution turns green in citric acid solution. In place of green you have to write deep pink. China rose solution turns deep pink in citric acid solution. Fourth one, formic acid is found in the sting of a grasshopper. Formic acid is found in the sting of a bees. Fifth one, during neutralization an acid reacts with a salt to form water and dash as product. During neutralization an acid reacts with a salt to form water and salt as a product. Now come to the true false from the following statements. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of basic substances in the mouth, that is the true. First one is the true. And second one, the substances which show different colors in acid and bases are called indicators. Second one is also true. Third one, milk of magnesia and slacked lime are the examples of neutral substances. False. Fourth, acid rain is caused by excess of carbon dioxide in air. False. Fifth one, potassium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. That is the false. And most of the fruits contain organic acid. That is the true. So in first one, true. Second one, true. Third one, false. Fourth one, false. Fifth one, false. Sixth one, true. Now come to the match the statements. First one, a substance which turns turmeric solution reddish brown, that is the base. a substance which turns turmeric solution reddish brown, that is the base. And second one, a reaction between an acid and a base, that is the neutralization reaction. An acid present in vinegar, that is the acetic acid. An indicator derived from lichen, that is the litmus. An insect whose sting contains formic acid, that is the ant. So match the statements. First one base, and in second one is the neutralization, and third one is the acetic acid, fourth one is the lichen, and fifth one is the ant. So till here, till match the statements, you have to complete in your copy.